Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide specific titles from your Netflix. So if you want to hide a specific series or films or movies titles in your Netflix, you can just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So you need to do this on your browser. So open your Netflix on your browser and then go to your account. So just go to this and then click on account and scroll down until you find the profile and parental controls and choose the profile that you want to hide the a title, a movie title or series. Click on that profile and then here click on the viewing restrictions and click on change. Okay, so you need to enter your password first before you can edit this setting. So just click on continue, and here at the bottom there are sections from for the title restriction. So you can if you add a certain show or movie name in here, they will not be show in your profile regardless of the maturity rating. So you can just click on the title in here. Because this is just an example, so I'm going to just choose a random movie. For example, if you click on word, there will be a list of movies shown and you can just choose between one of them. For example, okay, so for example, like this, and there will be shown at the bottom, and you can add more than one titles in here. Okay, so I'm going to just choose mine again, like this, for example, and then after that, you can just click on save. So that title won't be visible and the viewing restriction has been saved. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.